Welcome, dear parents. I am Rupa Saroj, facilitator of the Millennium School. Today I am here to introduce you 5 sports activities for your little champ. As we all know, it is quite difficult to have all kind of sports equipment at our home. So through this video, you can get some ideas of different kind of sports activities without sports equipment. With example, during this lockdown period. So that 5 sports activities for our TR students. First is newspaper hurdle race. Second is collecting the things. Third is fun with throw. Fourth is musty with water. Fifth is balancing the box. And the objective behind these activities are to enhance physical fitness or gross motor skills like running, jumping, flexibility, coordination, endurance and balance etc. of our kids. So let's start our today's session. Welcome, dear parents. I am Rupa Saroj and today I am here to introduce you one more sports activity for your tiny tots. The name of today's activity is hurdle race. My dear parent, it is very difficult to arrange the things from the market during this lockdown period. So I am here to give you one example of newspaper hurdle so that you can easily get it from home or you can make it at home for your kids. So let's start today's newspaper hurdle race. So let's start our today activity, hurdles run for our tiny tot. Come here, Shanu, come here. Dear parents, as you have seen, it was a newspaper hurdle race and through this activity, we can enhance motor skills like running, jumping, coordination and balance of our kids. So I am requesting you, take care of your kids and involve yourself with your kids. Thank you. So let's start our today's session, collecting the things with our kids. You have to involve yourself. The reason behind because the age of these kids are below 5 years. So let's start the session. Chalo, chale, chalo, run, run. Keep it here. Keep it here. Do this shit. Yay, 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 yay. Throw. Do this shit. Woo. two, three, four. Run, 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 run. Go, run, run, run. Chalo, run. Come on and run, run, run. Woo, woo, woo. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Come, 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 come. Chalo, chalo. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yeah. Very good. Here, here, keep it going. Yeah. Yo, run, run, run. Very good. Shabash. 1, 2, and 3. Go, 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 guys. Run, 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 run. Run. Yes, again. Rush. Yes, yes, very good. Run, 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 run. Bhago, 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 run, 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 run. Yeah. Yes. Chalo. Run, run. Yes, yes. Very good. High five, high five. Yeah, very good. Thank you. So you have seen it was a session collecting the things. As you see the activity collecting the things with your child. This is my request. Whenever you are going to perform this activity, you have to involve yourself. The reason behind you have seen, they are following your steps, they are following your command, they are setting their coordination with your command. So this is the main motto behind this. We have to enhance their coordinative ability as well as motor skills like running. So dear parents, I am Rupa Saroj and today I am here to introduce you one more sports activity for your little champ. The name of the today's activity is Fun with Throw.
In previous session, we taught our kids how to collect the things.
In today's session, we are going to teach our kids how to throw the things on the target. So, let's start our today's session.
Fun with throw.
Fun with throw. Oh, so chalo, आजा, आप ये लो, take it. कोई कंटिन्यू रखिए. चलो, हम इसमें फेंकेंगे. My shadow, इसको चॉकलेट मिलेगा. She is going to throw. ये लो, आजा. Come. Come, shadow, come. Eight. One. Oh. One. Very good. Two. Oh. Three. ये लो. And come. Come, darling, come. Oh. Here. Take position. Yes. Woo. Stick it. Very good. Woo. Again. Throw. Okay. Bring. Come back. Take your position. Take your position. Okay. And okay. Throw. Take your position and throw. Wow. Shabash. Again. Woo. Again. Wow. Here. And throw. One more. Okay. Throw this. Okay. Stand up. Throw it. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. You throw. 1, 2, yes. Here. Come. 1, 2, and throw from here. यहाँ से फेंको. Position. 1, 2, and yes. Very good. Woo! Yeah, she's throwing. Very good. So dear parents, as you've seen, the activity Fun with Throw. Through this activity, our kids, they have learned how much force they
While
have to
throwing on the
apply
target.
throwing on the target.
And this is one more example of coordinative ability.
Through this activity, they are enhancing their coordinative ability to focus on the target and to throw the things on the target. Thank you and yourself with your kids. Welcome dear parents, I am Rupa Saroj and today I am here to introduce you one more sports activity for your kids. As we know, students and kids, they love to play with the water, and today game is related with the water only, and the name of the game is Masti with the Water. And some key points you have to keep in mind while performing this activity. The floor, it should not be slippery, and the students, they should be barefooted so that they should not be slipped on the floor. So let's start at today's activity, Masti with Water. Today's session, Masti with Water with our little champ. So Shanu, ये आपका गिलास, ये मेरा. चलो पानी भरो इसमें से. Run, take water. चलो go. Come and fill this bucket. Yes, again come. Run. Yes, who has taken? Chalo go. Go. Run. भाग के. Yes. जल्दी करो. अब देखते कौन आगे निकलेगा. शालू आगे जाएगी, बुआ आगे जाएगी. Go. Run. अरे बहुत पीछे रह गई. Go. Yes. Run. Come on. Very good. Go. Go. Come fast. Chalo, run. And yes, come back. अरे, कौन करेगा जल्दी से? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Run. चलो जल्दी. वो आगे गई. आप दोनों से बोलो. Very good. Yes. जल्दी बनाना. तभी बनावेगा है. Go. Run. Yes. चलो. भागो. Very good. Oh yes. अब चलो. Wow. Yes. Woo. Run. चलो. हो गई आगे. चलो पीछे. चलो. Dear parents, as you have seen, it was the activity of Masti with the Water, and you have seen how the students, they love to play with the water and how they enjoyed with the water. So my dear parents, I request you, please involve yourself while performing this activity so that you can take care of your kids. So keep learning and keep yourself healthy. Thank you. Welcome dear parents, I am Rupa Saroj and today I am here to introduce you one more sports activity, and the name of the sports activity is Balancing the Box. My dear parents, this activity we are going to perform with the things which are available at the home. So through this activity your child is going to learn how to balance yourself, how to balance the things, and how to set up their coordination with the things. So let's start our today's activity, and the name of the activity is Balancing the Box. So let's start our today's activity, Balancing the Box. Start kare Shalu. Yes. So give me box. Just place the boxes with some distance. Okay. Give me box. And arcs. Give me. Okay. Come down. Yes. Chalo. Rukho. Yes. Yeah. Come. Pick up this. इसको उठाओ. चलो बाहर लेके चलेंगे.
कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा राज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना न यार पीछे कितना भी कोई किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम बेटरिए या मरिए हाँ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम बेटरिए या मरिए राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा राज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना यार पीछे कितना भी कोई किसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम बेटरिए या मरिए हाँ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम बेटरिए या मरिए पतंगों में कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा राज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम बेटरिए या मरिए हाँ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तुम बेटरिए या मरिए
That balance,
गलियों
balance,
में,
balance, balance,
बैलों में, बीजों
balance.
में,
Wow.
ईदों में, बीजों में,
Oh,
रेतों
balance
के
बनाना
दानों
हमें.
में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में,
Very good.
बातों के अड्डों में,
Yes.
सारा आज भर में, 10 12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे, कितना भी कोई खींचे, तब है नाम है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही,
Yes,
बस
yes.
करिए,
Keep on my hand.
कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेटरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेटरिए या मरिए, चक दे, हो चक दे,
On your hand.
चक दे,
Okay.
हो चक दे,
Yes, balance.
चक दे, हो चक दे, चक दे, हो चक दे,
Dear parents, as you have seen, it was an activity of balancing the balls. My dear parents, I request you, please try to involve yourself with your kids as a motivator, as a guide, so that they can enjoy a lot or they can learn something from this activity. Thank you and save yourself. Dear parents, hope so you have enjoyed these videos. Keep your kids healthy with the use of these kind of sports activities at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.